Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the little Royal Mercury on the bench. This is the one with the key tops that were freaking out down here, and it's got a broken drawstring, but it's also got a broken mainspring down in here, and I don't know how, but I got it out. This is not easy. You can't access either side of this, but with an offset screwdriver modified, I was able to get it out. I don't know if I'm going to get it back in, but so, you know, I verified it was kind of bad when it was in the machine, and now you can verify it again by holding this. I put the screw back in here so I can get a little better grip here, and then you can turn it to see which way it should go. Should go this way. You can tell by the hole there. So we just kind of wind this. But if you're listening carefully, you can hear it slip. Just about. How's it? Right there. So there's something wrong inside here. Let's open this booger up and see if we can fix it or have to replace it. I do have some of these, so I'm not too worried about wrecking this one. Okay, should be able to pry this off here now. Let me get a prier, something to pry it with. Okay. Coming off exactly as I would hope, but let's work it here a little more. It should separate here. There it goes. Yep, there it goes. And last one. Got it. So this should come off. Ooh, there we go. All right, so it's broken. You can see it. Right up here in the top. Yeah, right. There's part of it, and it should be connected right there. So the majority of this is good. I think this one can be fixed. So let's do it. So if you look really carefully, you can see get my something to poke with here. You can see it connects right up here. Right there, circles around and breaks right there. And it should connect to that. Let's just pull this thing out of here. This is let's see, let me make sure okay, I think I know which way it goes, so be careful when pulling these out. These will get away from you rather quickly. But there it is. Okay, let's see. So it broke. That much. Oops. I broke that much of it. Somehow, some way, it did it. Okay, so the trick is to make a little hole like that one in here. And I'm going to do that with the Dremel tool. Almost through. Okay, let's do, so you can almost see, let's punch that out here real quick. Let's see if I got a punch I can use here real quick. Hold on. Try those. Okay, this is what I wanted right here. I'm just gonna punch a hole right there. And we got a little hole started. Go this way a little bit. Okay. So there's a little hole. Let me try to make that a little bigger with just a tool here to ream it out. Okay, there's a little hole there. Let's see if I can get this to line up properly with that hole. I'll probably have a little too much here on the end. Why don't you take a little bit off here. I don't think that hole's big enough. Get a little bigger screwdriver, get in there. A little bigger something. Not quite what I wanted. Let's see what I want here, but let's try this. Yeah, it's not quite big enough. Okay, let's try. let's get her in there this time. That doesn't want to fit. Maybe that piece is a little, not quite. Let's see the original here. Well, that's pretty close to a big enough hole. Okay, let's widen this. See if we can. Let's see. Doesn't want to fit. Come on, buddy. I know you want to fit. Let me see if I can get this bend out a little more. I did it right there. All right, so now we just need to wind this in here. And be very careful. Looking good so far. Okay. This piece goes in like this. How about like this? This side. And this side. Okay. Let's see if we can get this to just snap on. Snap. Snap. Okay, that's on there. So just to make sure we don't gonna smack that a little bit. Let's see if we can get it to expand. one. Okay, let's test it. Let's test this guy. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's getting pretty tight. 5. That's tight. Okay. Let's let it out. Controlled. There we go. This is ready to reinstall. That is not going to be done in this video because it's a separate huge challenge. I ain't sure exactly how I'm going to get that thing back in there. It goes right on that stud right there, just like that, but there's no way to get this off. There's no way to get from the front. You have to use the manipulation of that, and I hope I can get it. But that's how you repair a mainspring on a, so this is a 1939, so that's a pretty old typewriter. All right. Mainspring repaired. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.